Hello dear traders, I am Miroslav Popov, the author of Forex Strategy Builder Professional. In that video, I will show you how position protection works. We speak about stop loss, take profit and trailing stop. Let's start with the units. All levels in the Forex Strategy Builder Professional are set in points. Also stop loss, take profit and other protection. What is a point? Point is the least possible change that the market can make. For example, if we have a 5-digit market and we have the change in the last digit, we call that point. So 1 point in 5-digit market is 0.00001. We have to make difference between point and pip. 1 pip in that case will be 0.001. That means a pip is 10 times larger than a point. If we have a 4-digit quotation, here the pip will be equal to point. How to set a protection is Forex Strategy Builder. Let's see the Forex Strategy Builder Professional. I open a new strategy. There are two ways to set protections. The first way is to use the strategy properties dialog panel. It opens here, and here are the protections. You can set here stop loss, take profit and break even. To use stop loss and take profit, you have to check on these check marks and here to set your levels. These levels are in points. The other way to set protections is to set here in the closing point of the position slot. You can find here stop loss. For example, let's use that 200 here. You can set stop loss here in position protection or in strategy properties or here at the closing point of the position slot. But what is the difference between these two ways? If you have stop loss and take profit, stop loss set here and here, the nearer wins. For example, we have here stop loss 100 points and here we have 200 points. The strategy will execute the nearest. Never mind, you can set here also take profit. Also the nearest will win. Normally, if you're using here another exit rule, for example, what to see, parabolic SR. Parabolic SR also serves as an exit rule, but it occupies that closing point of the position slot. So you are not able to put here stop loss or take profit, and that's why you can set this here in the strategy properties. In the other way, if you don't have here exit rule, if you want to use only stop loss or take profit, you can just set them here, stop loss or take profit. Or if you want to set both stop loss and take profit, you can use that stop limit. Let's speak about stop loss. We have here long position. Every time at any moment on the market you have ask and bid prices. When you open a long position, you actually buy at the ask price. You can close it at the current bid price. The difference between ask and bid prices is called spread. But how the stop loss is calculated? Let's take stop loss. Let's have a stop loss 100 points, spread 20 points, and the long entry to be at 1.20000. Actually, the long entry is at ask price. So the stop loss price will be ask minus 20 points minus 100 points. And the actual price will be 1.19880. So the actual loss on activating stop loss will be 120 points. Let's see the same for a short position. This time we are opening a short position at bid price and we can close that position at the ask price. The difference is the spread. Let's our spread be 20 points. The stop loss is the move of the price on the opposite direction of our position. So let's have here 100 points for the stop loss, and the actual loss will be also 120 points because we have 1.20000. This time we have plus 20 points. We have to multiply by the point value to receive the price, and plus the stop loss points. And so we actually have stop loss price 1.20, 120. Let's see the take profit for a long position. We are opening a long position at ask price. The bid price is below the ask price. The take profit means that we will close the position if the market moves in our favor with 100 points. For that example, let the spread be 20 points and the take profit 100 points. So let the opening be 1.20000. When you open long, our take profit will be the opening price, the ask price, minus 20 multiplied by the point value. This is for the bid, and plus the take profit points, plus 100 multiplied by 0.1000001, and we receive the take profit price equal to 1.20080. So the actual profit will be 80 points. Why 80 points? Because we are opening here long, we subtract 20 points from the bid price, and here we receive 80 points profit. And the same be for a short position. We open short position and bid, we subtract 20 points to the ask price, and after that move down with 100 points. So the actual take profit price will be the initial price plus the spread minus the take profit, and we receive take profit price 1.19920, and the actual profit will be 80 points. Let's see how this works on Forex Strategy Builder Professional. Let's make what we have here. Entry amount for a new position 1 lot, and let's have stop loss and take profit 100 points and 100 points. I'll put here momentum for entry because we need some indicator to determine the direction. Let's be momentum rises, and here let's say, for example, week closing. We are on the 15 minutes market. Let's see what we have here. Now my spread, we set the spread in control panel, symbols, Euro USD. The spread is 20 points. Let's see what we have here on the chart. For example, we have here short entry, and here is our activated stop loss. How much is the stop loss? We see here in the dynamic info. Okay, the profit loss, the result is minus 120. So we have 120 points loss, exactly what we calculated. But here the loss is actually in USD, but for that settings we have 1 point equal to USD. Why is that? Because if you return to control panel, not for account, let's see the symbol. We have lot size 100,000 euro. This is the amount we are buying or selling, and our point value is 0.0001. So if you might multiply the lot size by the point value, we receive 1. So the profit or loss in dollars will be $1 for 1 point. Let's see somewhere activate take profit. Here we have take profit activated. We buy here, and we have here activated take profit, and we see that the profit loss is 8 USD. So it's exactly what we calculated. The take profit is 80, and the stop loss is 120. So stop loss and take profit. If you have stop loss and take profit both set to 100 points and take profit 100 points, we will have a profit 80 points and loss 100 points. It's not looks too well. If you want the stop loss, the loss, and the loss and the profit to be equal, you have to set our stop loss equal to take profit plus 2 times of the spread. Let's check that in Forex Strategy Builder Professional. My spread is 20 points, so I can set here take profit to be equal to stop loss plus 2 times of the spread. Let's be 140. Okay, and if I return to the indicator chart, here I have stop loss activated. We have here a loss of minus 120. And let's see take profit. We have here take profit. The profit is also 120. You see here 120. So if you want to have a equal profit and loss when you're using take profit and stop loss, we have to set the take profit to be equal to the stop loss points plus 2 times of the spread. We can see how that works in MetaTrader. Let's return here to 100. Okay, and I can save that strategy. Let's be test stop loss take profit. Okay, now I export the strategy to MetaTrader like that. And when I open the MetaTrader, I'm going here and right click and refresh. And our test stop loss take profit expert advisor is here. So now I can run the strategy tester in MetaTrader. Expert advisor stop loss take profit. If I want to receive the same results, let's set here spread equal to 20 points. MetaTrader also works in points. I have here preset interval, and let's start it. Let's see what will happen here. We opened a long position. We see up, it was activated. So the stop loss was activated. Let's see here the result. So what we have our initial entry and activated stop loss. The loss is $120, but here we have also 70 cents. Why we have that? Maybe this is the rollover, the swap for long position, and here we have to probably have changed date. What is the date here? This is January 2nd, and this here is January 1st. So when the date is changing, the broker charges us with the swap. Let's continue the test to see another entry. We have here also long position. Up, also stop loss activated. Now we have short position. Let's see. Up, activated, take profit. Let's see how much is the profit. In Forex Strategy Builder, we received $80 loss. Profit, excuse me. And now here we see $80 profit. The entry was at 2720. This is stop loss. Let's see the take profit. The take profit is 100 pips below that, plus the spread 20 pips. And the stop loss is 100 pips above the price plus the spread. That's why we have 720. Here we have 840. And when the stop loss, when the take profit is activated, we have $80 profit. Let's stop that. Let's see another case when we have averaging. For example, adding, we have initial long entry here and that price, and stop loss set below the long entry. But later, if the program adds to the position, the program moves the stop loss according to the new entry. For example, if you have here 80 points distance to the stop loss, after the entry will be moved 80 points below that additional entry. So here from the initial entry we have a fixed stop loss until the adding, and after the adding will be set a new stop loss, and here the new stop loss will be activated exactly in that point when the market touches the stop loss. Let's see how that works. I open Forex Strategy Builder Professional, and all what I change, the only thing I'm going to change is to put here adding at 1 watt. Okay, and now I can save that strategy and export again to MetaTrader. Now I'll refresh here, and the new strategy is the new expert advisor is loaded here. Let's start the test again. We have initial entry up, we have a second entry here, and stop loss must be modified and take profit also. So let's see what we have. We have our initial entry at 21,045 with stop loss and take profit. After that we have another entry at 21,021 with stop loss 901 and take profit 101. And the program, our strategy, modifies the first entry. Why is that? The problem of MetaTrader 4 is that it cannot average the position. It opens, if you want to add new lots to the position, it opens another entry. Another MetaTrader calls it orders. So it opens one order long, and after that it opens another order. It cannot average. It cannot add to the open position. For example, MetaTrader 5 is able to add lots to the same position. And now, when we have a new entry, when the MetaTrader opens a new order, the expert also modifies all other orders. So all orders must have the same stop loss and take profit. Here, this here is a stop loss. The stop loss was activated here, and both long positions were closed at the same stop loss. So let's continue with the trading stop. Trading stop. What is the purpose of the trading stop? When the market moves in our favor, the trading stop moves with the market. What is the specific implementation in Forex Strategy Builder and in our experts? When we open an initial position, the first entry, Forex Strategy Builder automatically puts stop loss below the long position. If it was a short position, the stop loss would be above the entry. After that, when this bar closes, we see that the highest price of the bar is higher than the first entry. So the trading stop will be moved according to the previous high. For example, that distance here will be equal to the distance between the long entry and the high. So every time when a bar closes, if you have a highest high, Forex strategy builder will move the trading stop. Actually, that's the stop loss. The stop is called trading. And the next bar, during that bar, the stop loss is here. When that bar finishes, the stop loss will be moved because we have here a highest high. So how much will be the stop loss? It will be the same. For example, if we have from here to here 100 points, the stop loss will be moved 100 points below the previous highest high. Here also it will be moved, but for that bar we don't have a highest high, so the stop loss will remain the same. Here we have a little bit higher price, here not, and here the stop loss will be activated. So what is the stop loss for long position? We have first initial stop loss equal to the bid minus the trailing stop points, that one, and for every next bar the trailing stop will be equal to the previous highest high minus the trailing stop points. If it was a short position, the initial stop loss is equal to the ask plus the trailing stop points, and every next trailing stop is equal to the previous lowest low plus the trailing stop points. Let's see how that works in Forex Strategy Builder and in MetaTrader. We cannot set a trailing stop here in the strategy properties, but we can do that in here. So I'll remove the stop loss and take profit. I will use only trailing stop, and I will set here trailing stop. Let's set here 100, and that is all. What can you see here on my chart? The program doesn't put the trading stop here, so I'll export that strategy. As expert advisor, and let's open it in MetaTrader. I have to refresh here. Refresh. And I hope MetaTrader will start testing with the latest expert. Let's see what we have here. Can I zoom? And okay, so we have initial entry long, and after that the price rises a little bit to the highest price of the bar. Let's see here in the result. We have a buy at 21,045. The stop loss is at 925. Why? Because the stop loss is 100 points below that minus 20 points more. But at the next bar the stop loss was modified, and now it is 963. Why is that? Let's see how much is the high here. The high is 0.63. So it removes from the high 100 points. From 21,063 minus 100 is 2963. Let's continue. Up, the stop loss was activated. No, what do you have? It added to the position. It opened another one, and it put a new stop loss. When we add to the position, the stop loss was also reset. Now the market is trading in our favor. So here, that stop loss, but we have entry, that stop loss must be that high minus 100 points. Let's see, the high is 912, and the stop loss must be 812. 812. It's here. Exactly. So that's how the trading stop is implemented. There are one specific here. If you see the trailing stop indicator, we have here options trailing mode. There are two modes, new bar and new tick. New bar is the default value. That means the trailing stop will trail at every new bar. That is because normally the historical data do not contain ticks. We have only open, high, low, close prices for the historical data, and we don't know what happens exactly in the bar. But in trading mode, you can use that new tick options. If you use that option, it will work at the same way in Forex Strategy Builder. But in the trader, in the expert, the trailing stop will trail at every tick in our favor. So if the market will have long position now, it's not. Let's continue the test. Let's see we have short. Every time when the market moves in our favor, the trailing stop will move also. That is the specific of tick mode. But we cannot test the tick mode in for Strategy Builder. That is all for that video. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.